In every child's heart lies a dragon waiting to awaken. This is the story of Imani, a girl who carried the strength of her ancestors, even if she didn't know it yet.
I wonder what Grandma meant by that.
Morning, Mom. Morning, Dad.
Morning, sweetie. Breakfast is on the table. I made your favorite, dragon-shaped pancakes.
Hey there, curious cat. Ready to learn something new today?
Always.
Wow, Mom. They look just like Levi.
Levi?
Oh, just a friend from my dreams.
Levi, huh? Sounds like quite an imagination you've got there, kiddo.
Just like her grandmother, always full of stories.
Where'd you get those shoes? The trash?
Hey, I think I have an extra pair of cool shoelaces. Want them? You know, my grandma says we rise by lifting others. Maybe you could help tie them.
The City Council is debating a reparations program for descendants of enslaved people.
My dad says it's just people wanting free money.
Yeah, why should we pay for stuff that happened forever ago? Now, let's remember to be respectful. This is a complex issue.
Mom, Dad, what are reparations? Why are people upset about it?
Oh, sweetie, it's about fixing old wrongs. But it's complicated.
We'll talk more about it this weekend, okay? It's a big topic.
Imani, come help me with these sweet potato pies.
Okay, Mom.
Grandma, do you know about reparations?
Oh, child, that's a heavy topic, but it's important. Let me tell you a story while we bake.
I wish I could understand. Why do people think it's wrong for us to get help after all we've been through?
Hello there, young one. I am, well, you can call me Levi. I'm what you might call a guardian of stories.
Fear not, Imani. I heard your questions. Would you like to see the answers hidden in our history?
Then climb on my back, little one. Our journey begins.
And so, Imani embarked on a journey through time to uncover the truth about her heritage and the long road to justice. Hold tight, young one.
Hold tight, young Imani. We're about to dive into the river of time. Our journey through history begins now.
Wow, it's like we're flying through a rainbow tornado. It's so hot, and they look so tired. I can almost feel the scratchy cotton. Leviathan, this is awful. How could people do this to each other? She's just a kid, like me. But her eyes, they look so much older, like she's carrying the weight of the world.
See how their labor built wealth for others. This is the foundation of a great injustice, one that echoes through time.
It's like their sweat is turning into money, but not for them. That's so wrong. They never got paid? That's not fair. The scale is so unbalanced, it's like it's about to break. They're free now! Look how happy they are! It's like they're glowing from the inside.
Yes, this moment of joy is precious. But remember, freedom is just the beginning of a long journey. Freedom alone didn't solve everything. Observe, the scale still struggles to find balance.
But why? They're free now. Shouldn't everything be okay? It's like a roller coaster of history. So much pain, but also so much strength and progress.
Indeed, young one. The journey is long and complex, but the spirit of your ancestors endures.
Welcome, child of our future. We've been waiting for you. Your journey through time has brought you to us. You've been waiting for me? Who are you?
Does anyone else have thoughts on this topic?
I think I understand it better now.
Oh yeah? How?
Well, it's kind of like baking a pie. Imagine your great-great-grandma had an amazing sweet potato pie recipe, but someone stole it and got rich selling it for years and years.
But that was a long time ago.
Right, but your family never got to benefit.
You couldn't open a pie shop or go to culinary school. Reparations would be like giving back the recipe, helping your family open that pie shop, and making sure everyone knows it was your great-great-grandma's recipe all along. It's about restoring what was lost and creating new opportunities.
But why should I have to give up my pie money for something I didn't do? Remember the bridge, young one.
It's not about blame. It's about fixing something that's been broken for a long time, so everyone can enjoy the pie together. When we address old injustices, we all share a fairer, more prosperous future.
That's a remarkably insightful way of putting it, Imani. Where did you learn to explain things like that?
Oh, just from a wise friend.
Remember, Imani, the strength of your ancestors lives in you. Use it wisely.
I will. This is just the beginning. I can't wait to tell Mom and Dad. Mom, Dad, Grandma, you won't believe what happened today.
Wow, honey. That's a really mature way of explaining things.
You make us so proud, Imani. But are you sure you're ready for such big conversations?
I think so. I have to try, right? I always said that dragon spirit would guide you well. Trust in your strength, child.
Hey, Imani, can you explain that pie thing again? My parents were asking about it. Sure, let's talk at lunch. Maybe we can start a discussion group.
Imani, your design is beautiful. What inspired it?
Oh, just a lesson I learned from a very old friend. Levi, are you there?
Always, young one. How may I assist?
I was wondering, will things really get better? Will we see real change?
It has already begun, young one, with you. In every child's heart lies a dragon waiting to awaken.